Hi, my name is Annette Reyes. I am 38 years old. I live in Bogota. I have two daughters, one 16 years old and the other 6 years old. I work at a pharmaceutical laboratory. I live with my husband, my daughters, my dog Bruno. My husband is sharper, my mother is housewife, my father is driver, my brother is builder. They live in Villavicencio. I like to go to church. I like to eat hamburger. I like to go to my family. I don't like to be cool. I don't like to fish. I don't like to play from. Next year we travel to Coveñas. Coveñas is hot. Every day we walk out, we pledge, we eat, and swim in the sea. Occasionally we watch on television. I was there for 5 days. Next year we're going to visit Cartagena. I will travel with Planet. We're going to eat, swim, cheer us family. We would like to visit the city center and the city walls. We're planning to study 5 days. Bye.